Alright, so Jolly is yellow again. Why is doing it? Why? Yeah. Alright, yeah, so you notice that jolly yellow thing from the jolly guy. So let's check Ivan G. Okay, yeah, he's normal. He's normal. Alright, yeah, why is it yellow again? Wonder why? I hate the yellow. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's literally yellow again. It's yellow. 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 Yeah. Wait! I didn't make... Oh. No. Wait, let me edit it. Yeah. I hate the yellow thing. It's annoying. Kinda annoying, right? Agreed. Yeah. Because all of the yellows are... Again, it's yellow. Yellow. Yeah, I don't know why it's yellow again. Yellow. 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 We got the yellow thing. It's so annoying if there's like... It's back to yellow again. So someone... Man... Can someone say yellow? I said it's yellow. Yeah, it's yellow. Definitely yellow. Yellow. Still yellow. I don't know why it's yellow. And someone said, yo, never mind. So why is it yellow again? Yeah, why is the yellow existed again? Why? Alright, so that's the video. Bye.